All right, everybody. Welcome to the People's Channel, Mr. Community, based right here in Cincinnati, where we go around the homeless camps, paying the homeless to collect cans for us. We also pay friends, family members, and children of the community to collect cans for us, which we then take to the recycle center, cash out, and pump that money right back into the community. How good is that? So good that the system got helicopters following Mr. Community around. That's right. Mr. Community is under attack. Mr. Community is under surveillance for helping out the people, for helping out the less fortunate, for helping out the homeless, for trying to build up an economy for the poor community. Look at this. The attack is on. Look at that. I'm being circled. I'm being surrounded. I need the people to get behind me, Mr. Community. Lend me a hand. How can you help me? I don't need no army. We ain't gonna battle these people with no weapons. You ready how we gonna battle them? By you simply supporting the channel. That's right, that's right. Support the channel. Hit that subscribe button, that share button, the like button. And that's how we're gonna fight back. Uh-oh, here they come again. Here they come. Hit the subscribe button on them. 1 subscribe, 2 subscribe, 3 subscribe. Hit the button on them. They own Mr. Community, y'all. Enough of y'all ain't hitting the subscribe button. So I gotta retreat. I'm on the run. I thought y'all was gonna help me out. So I'm on the run. How you doing? I'm on the run, people. Mr. Community is on the run. They got me under surveillance for trying to help out the small people, for trying to help out the community, for trying to help out the homeless. They got me on the run, y'all. I can't believe they whipped out the big boys, the helicopters. Oh Lord, here they go again. All right, people, this is getting serious. They on Mr. Community, but I need y'all to arm me. Arm me with subscriptions. Hit that subscribe button. That's the only way we can fight back. Oh Lord, here they go again. There's nowhere I can go. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. They on Mr. Community's backside. People show me some love. They're trying to intimidate the people's champ. Look at them. I get the warning. I get the warning. Back off. Back off. Quit trying to help the small people. I get the warning. That's right, y'all. Mr. Community right here in Cincinnati, Ohio. The anti-poverty, help the homeless movement. Here they go again. All right, I get the message. I get the message. But I would not stop. Okay, that one was a little intimidating. Around and round in circles they go. They just want Mr. Community to feel intimidated, to retreat, to back off. But I can't do it. The people need me out here. Maybe if I change up my route. They go right, I go left. They go left, I go right. They go east, I go west. They go north, I go south. I got to get out of here. They owe me. Keep surrounding me. I'm surrounded. Here they come again, people. I need help. Is that my help coming on the airplane? Is that my people coming? Drop them subscriptions on them. 1, 2, 3. 1 million subscriptions. Drop it on them. I think that scared them off. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, people. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, they're back. They are very stubborn, very hard-headed, very determined. Come on, guys, back off. I'm just trying to help the homeless and the less fortunate. All right, people. I'm finna try to retreat. Mr. Community is in retreat mode. Mr. Community is in retreat mode. I need the people help. This is getting to be a little too intimidating. Okay, I can't go this way. Okay. Let me try this way. Let me try to reverse. I'm about to reverse, people. I don't want no trouble. I'm just out here trying to get to the homeless camps to collect cans from the homeless, because that's what I do. I pay the homeless. Oh Lord, here they go again. Okay, I get the message. People, don't let Mr. Community go out like this. I need your assistance. I need you to drop those subscribe bombs on them. Forgive me for stumbling on my words, but I'm about to try to lose these people. I'm about to run out here in traffic. They owe me, y'all. The hunt is on. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get hit. Work with me, people. I need help. The intimidation factor is on. Ugh. It takes a lot to intimidate Mr. Community, but I gotta admit, they're doing a pretty good job. All I want to do is get to my homeless camps like I do every day. Chop it up with the homeless. Collect cans from them. Oh Lord, here we go again. All right. I don't know how to shake these people. Around and around they go, trying to intimidate Mr. Community, trying to stop me from doing what I do out here for the people. And I must admit, it's working just a little bit. They made me change my whole route, because I don't want no trouble. I'm not on with enough subscriptions to fight back. I need y'all to arm me. I'm trying to hide under the trees. You hear them? Trying to hide under the trees. They got Mr. Community broken down to his knees, begging, please. Oh, all right, all right. Okay. All right, people. I don't want to put y'all lives in danger. Look at him. I think I lost him. All right. I'm about to get ready and shut down. It's hard for me to run with this, which I'll be using to go around and gather my cans from friends and family members and the homeless But I may have to abandon this. Here they go again, people. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unreal. I knew I was being effective out here, but I didn't know I was being this effective. Who was that? And the police just gonna drive by and leave me hanging? All right, guess I'm on my own. Mr. Community needs the support of the community. If you ever want to do something good in your life, here's the opportunity. Need you to assist me. I need help. No, you gotta be kidding. All right, this was getting out of control. Wait a minute, who is this? Is this some of my subscriptions showing up? Is that an airplane full of Mr. Community subscriptions? Uh-oh. My people that showed up. I knew y'all show up for me. I appreciate the love. Thank you for everybody who hit that subscribe button. I think it worked. They're gone. I think it worked, people. I appreciate the love. That was close. Continue to show love to the people's channel. Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. All right. This is ridiculous. I just got an airplane full of subscriptions. I guess that backed them off for a second. Maybe that was about a couple $100,000. I mean, maybe that was maybe a couple 100,000 subscriptions. I don't know if that adds up to a couple $100,000. But anyway, oh Lord, here they come again. Maybe we need millions. Maybe we need some millions. All right, let's get them subscriptions up to the millions. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to go. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to turn around. I keep trying to avoid the fight. They keep bringing it to me. People, show Mr. Community right here in Cincinnati some love. Hit that subscribe button. Spread the word in your circle about this channel. The love channel, the peace channel, the anti-poverty, help our homeless channel. That's what we do here. We go around helping the homeless. That's why we on YouTube, my people, to help out our community. We use social media to reach out to a larger scale of people. All right, back off. Back off. Anyway, I'm not gonna be intimidated. We're on YouTube, reaching out to YouTube land to ask you to show us some love and support. What this channel do, we go around collecting cans like this from the homeless, friends, family members, and children of our community. We then take that to the recycle center, cash out, and pump that money right back into the community. We also put money to the side so we can purchase some franchises, so we can offer job opportunities to the homeless and get them back on their feet. And do the same for anyone else in the community that's looking for some work. So we ask that you go ahead and support that by supporting the channel. Hit that subscribe button. All right. I'm keep talking. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, the share button, and spread the word about what we're doing here in Cincinnati. Show us some love, support the cause. I'm about to bail out. I'm getting close to one of my homeless camps. I'm done trying to shake these people on the helicopter. If they want to follow me, they just gonna go ahead and have to follow me all day. I'm gonna be out here all day. They gotta stop and go feud up. Ugh. They must stop and go get some fuel, I imagine. Eventually. Maybe then I can shake them. But for now, oh Lord, here they go. For now, I guess I just gotta deal with it. Let them go ahead and follow me everywhere. As you can see, they've been following me for quite a while. Intimidated by the people's champ, Mr. Community, out here putting in work for the less fortunate, for the homeless. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that. 16 minutes of entertainment. Mr. Community having fun with the people. I'm gonna give you 2 fingers and get on up out of here. Please continue to show love to the channel and spread the word and hit that subscribe button. And remember to go help someone today. Peace.